Sometimes in life there is a moment that cannot be forgotten, like the moment I had before. When I was 15 years old, I once traveled to a place I had never been before. I remember very well the first time I saw the scenery there. I was very impressed. During my stay there, my family and I visited nearby attractions, enjoyed delicious local food, and took in the enchanting natural beauty. When I was 14 years old, I attended swimming lessons given by one of my elementary school sport teachers. Even though I cannot swim and I cannot even breathe for 10 seconds in water, I really enjoy the process of learning and communicating with sports teacher. Incidentally, I can also complete the practice of movements such as freestyle, dolphins, frogs, etc. The care and compassion that was given really influenced me. Until now, I still master the science of the movements given by my sports teacher. Until one day when I took part in a swimming competition, I was able to reach ranking 1. Those were unforgettable moments for me, even now. Thank you.